Good evening everyone. Welcome to Dityorag. Today I am going to show you some handloom woven pure cotton Orissa weave sarees. All these sarees are handloom woven and these sarees come without blouse pieces, but with all the sarees I have already provided blouse pieces. So let's start our video with our first saree. It's a Khandwa cotton sari. The name of the sari is Khandwa cotton, which is from Nuapatna cluster, that is located near Bhubaneswar. The name of the cluster is Nuapatna, and the name of the sari is Khandwa cotton. This is a hand woven pure cotton, 100 count cotton, I think, yes. And the color is bottle green. The base color is bottle green with border, red border and blackish red or maroon pallu. All over, this design is known as Jhorna design. I must show you from the closer view. This is called a Jhorna design. And the price of this sari is 1900 with a red blouse piece. Sorry, 1950 with red Orissa weave blouse piece. The price of this sari is 1950, and this blouse piece has been provided with this sari. The length of this blouse piece is either 95. Sorry, this is 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. The sari is 1950 with this red Orissa weave blouse piece. This is a Jhorna design. You can see the design of the pallu. These are all woven sarees, weaved sarees. A very beautiful one. I'm waiting for you for some while so that you can take the screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. Just take the click now so that it will be easier for me to understand also. 1950. This is our first sari. Second one, a maroon with a mustard yellow border. Same sari with a different color combination. Price is also same, 1950. Look at the pallu. $1950. With this sari, this blouse piece will be provided and the price will be the same, 1950. Both the sari, the price of both the sari is same, 1950. The length of this blouse piece is 90 centimeters. It depends. Sometimes you will get 80 or sometimes 90. 1950. Take the screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9432662588. Next one, another Khandwa cotton. The body color is Tasarite color with the Ganga Jamuna border. The upper border is black and the lower border is red. Upper border is narrower than the lower border. Lower border is a wider one. This is the pallu here. All over this type of design, all over the saree with black and red. The price of this saree is 2100 only the saree. And if you want blouse piece with this saree, 1 meter blouse piece, I can provide you. You have to pay 300 per meter. If you want more than 1 meter, I can also provide that. Only 300 per meter. Only the saree price is 2100 and the blouse piece is 300 per meter. So you can take 1 meter, less than 1 meter or more than 1 meter. Look at this will be the look of the saree after you drape it. Really very nice, very nice. With this saree I can provide you this. Either I have 2 blouse pieces, either the red one, either the red one. These are all Orissa weave blouse pieces. You can take any one from these 2 blouse pieces, either the red one or the black one, whichever you want. Just look at how it is looking. Just look at the $2,100 the saree price and the blouse piece is 300 per meter. Any one of these 2. Next one. It's a white with red border. Blouse piece show. Blouse piece show. This one is white with red border, red pallu and all over red stripes. Stripe means this type of design. It's also a jhorna, you can say. And the saree, the price of this saree with this blouse piece, along with this blouse piece is 2200. The saree with this blouse piece is 2200. এটা পরে দেখালে পারতাম, তাহলে মানে সিরিয়ালটা হতো না। সবগুলো ব্লাউজ পিস দিয়ে দামটা ধরে দেখাচ্ছি, বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বলছি? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। This will be the look of the saree. After you drape it, it will be the look. Price is 2200 along with this blouse piece. The upper border is narrower than the lower border. It's a wider one. Okay. Next one. I will show you this saree, but this saree has already sold out. If you want, I can provide you the same saree, but you have to wait for 3 to 4 days. Tessarite, the border color is tessarite color with orange border. Beautiful. It's really very beautiful. Price of this saree is also 2200 along with the Orissa weave orange blouse piece. Along with this orange blouse piece. I think this is 95 centimeter. 99 কতটা এটা দেখেছো? নাকি 80 সেন্টিমিটার? দেখো তো একবার একটু মোটাটা। হ্যাঁ মোটা, না মোটা না। The upper border is a narrower one than the lower border, and this is the design of the price of this sari is 2200 with that orange blouse piece.
97.
And the length of this blouse piece is 96 centimeters. 2200 only. This sari, I am again repeating that this sari has already been sold out, but if you want, I can provide you the same sari. I will take another 3-4 days, another 5 to 6 days to supply you. $2,200. These were the Khandwa cotton saris. Now I will show you one sari which is a Maniabandhu Ikkat. This is also the name of the cluster. The name of the cluster is Maniabandhu and the sari name is also Maniabandhu. This is also a handloom woven pure cotton Ikkat sari. You can easily understand from the design that it's a tortoise design, that these are all Ikkat weaving. Yes. কোনটা
কচ্ছপের নিচের দিকে
এই তো মুখটা লেজ এটা কি পেছনটা a very sweet baby pink color, and the pallu is, this is the pallu here. This sari is from Maniabandhu cluster of Orissa. With this sari only, I can't provide you any blouse piece. Price of this sari is 3,500. This will be the look of the sari. After you drape it, it will be the look of the sari. A very beautiful one. Price is 3,500. This is the pallu of the sari. Price of this sari is 3,500. It's a Maniabandhu Ikkat. The name of the cluster is Maniabandhu, and accordingly the sari name is also Maniabandhu. These are all handloom woven pure cotton saris. Next one, it's one of my favorite saris also. Actually, Orissa weave, I love Orissa weave saris, every saris. And this one is from Sambalpur. You all know that this design is very known to each of us. Those who love handloom cotton saris, those who love Orissa weave saris, this design is very common, very known to us. You can see here this is the border. This is the checkered one. Here is the border. And in the middle of the sari, this type of design. The price of this sari is 5,900. With this sari, there is no attached blouse piece, but with this sari, I will provide you Orissa weave blouse piece. I have both black, red and red blouse piece. Choose according to your choice. I can provide you any of the blouse pieces. Price is 5,900. the sari with any of these two 1 meter blouse piece. Any one of these two. Just look at the design again, though this design is very known to us. This is the pallu here, and these are tiny checks. This pattern is very common in Sambalpuri design. 5,900 only, I must say, with blouse piece. Next one, it's also a Sambalpur weave. This is called Saptapuri, similar to Vichitrapuri. Vichitrapuri design is also a same a bit. Just look at the design. The price of this sari is also 5,900 with any one of these two blouse pieces. Kalo banabe beshi. Either this red one or this black one, 1 meter, 5,900. Waiting for you for some while so that you can take the screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. Just look at the pallu of the sari, look at the border here. All these are fish motif. These saris are, though the designs or the patterns are very known to us, but years after years, the saris are very much popular to handloom lovers. Price is same, 5,900. So, if you have any query regarding any of the saris of today's episode, communicate through my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9432662588. I repeat, 9432662588. Good night and have a good day.